Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Valorant error code 43 or VAL43 in Windows 11 or 10. So if you are facing this problem, so you can try this method. Click on start, search here CMD and run as administrator. Now type this command ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter. Now type this second command line net sh winsock reset and press enter and restart your system. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on start and settings. Now here click on network and internet. Click on advanced network settings. Then here click on network reset and click on reset now and click on yes. So this is the method guys, you can try. So these are method guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.